Hello and welcome. It's Gillykube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I've actually snuck out to my studio after dinner. I don't normally do pours in the evening. I normally call it quits and get out of the studio and sit with my husband and have tea and watch a bit of telly and a chat, you know, as you do. But I just walk the dogs around outside and I come into my studio with all this paint that's already pre-made. So I thought, oh, what better, hey, than to get stuck in and do a little pour. So here I am. All my paints are pre-made, pouring mediums on the bottom. In the description box, I'm going to just do the base coat. This is kind of a bit of an off-white because I did have a little tiny bit of sand colour made left, and I've just added white to it to actually get the last drops out of it, spread it. So not wanting to waste anything, so I'm just going to whiz round this quick. So I'm hoping to do a quick pour so my husband doesn't come out and say, hey, I thought you'd finished for the day in there. So that's what addiction is, see? Oh, addicted to my coming and painting. Some days you don't feel the need to do that, but today I did, so there you go. I'm here. So I've just put that white on. I've got lots of yummy colours and I'm going to put them in here. I'm going to do another bit of a summer garden pour because I just love them so much. So I'm going to use up this last bit of fluoro pink. Fluoro pink, use that last bit up. This really dries, really vivid and stands out beautifully, like really nice and bright, so I love it. Now this is just the ordinary orange, it isn't. So I'm gonna put all the nice bright colours, the things that I enjoy, that I really love about my art is the colours. You all know I love the balloon kissing. So I'm just going to add lots of nice, bright, uplifting colours to kind of make a summer garden. I think in lots like the US and in Europe, UK, you know, should be coming to the end of your winter time and coming into the spring. So just giving you a bit of encouragement for the springtime to get ready. It's coming. So that was the fluoro green there, and this is just a bright, nice bright yellow. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. So I'm going to put some of the cool red in there. I've got it all, haven't I? Wow. Just, it's everything about me, this one. This is what I love. I love to do these particular techniques of pours. I just love the bright colours. So sometimes you just have to do you. Be you. Can't be anyone else because they're taken. So just be you. This was a little bit of phthalo blue that I have left. So I'm going to put that in there too. It's nice to have a pop of a dark colour with all those really bright colours. So absolutely gonna be fine. Look at that. Then I have the Berry Delicious that I make up myself, and that is out of the phthalo blue, a cool red, phthalo blue, and a blob of black if you want it to go real nice dark cherryish. Wow. Okay, that looks like a big scribble. I know. And if you haven't ever joined me before and watched my pours, you're probably thinking, what is this crazy person up to right now? But just bear with me, and let's see how we go. So I'm just gonna run these colours in together a bit. Make them look like a Santa's vomit. It looks a bit crazy colour. And just recenter this again. There we go. This is a bit wonky. I'll put my push pins, the giant push pins, in on the bottom, but that's obviously still a bit wonky. Now this is the Amsterdam and Floetrol mix that I just keep pre-made up in the bottle. So really good for creating lace and so on and so forth. So let there be lace in my garden. So I'll try the little mini blower again. If it blows too much, then I'll use my little straw. Let's see how we go. Oh yeah, no, I'll do that. No, the paint is too thick. So when the paint is thick, it won't move with that blower so well. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Do I want, yeah, I think I will turn it around and do the same on the bottom, which will be, oh, what's going on? Make sure I've got that in frame. Wowzers trousers. Oh, I just love these paws so much, really do. I mean, and if you're a beginner, they're quite a nice paw for you to do as a beginner also, because when you get results, it's just so encouraging. Okie doke, I will take my heat gun over it. Just a heat one, getting rid of all the bubbles, air bubbles, and let me see. See if I can get some wispy bits. So I'm going to just dip it. This is just the Berry Delicious, and I had Floetrol in this. So I just want to get these wispy bits up there. Probably a bit thick, actually. I mean, my wispy bits are not so much wispy, they're chunky. Chunky bits. It's like me, chunky. Okay. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. That's fine. I'm gonna leave that as that is. Now I will get my balloon. Where's it gone? I must have, oh no, here it is. Oh, it's hiding there. It's been blown around the place, so I'll just make room. I'll get into this so I can get back in the house before anybody knows I've been in my art room. Okay, let's just kiss this canvas. Oh, look at that. This is a big, quite big balloon, so you don't have to do it this big, but I'll do these big balloon kisses down this bottom end like this, and then I will come back and do some smaller ones. My canvas is wobbly. I think one of my push pins was full of paint on the bottom. So, wow. Just all the colours of the rainbow in here, really. And it's just bright, and it's uplifting, and it's what we could all do with at the moment, even though we thought we wouldn't need it. I certainly did. Wow. I love it. You know, and that's all you have to please is yourself. Don't worry about what other people say about your artwork. Remember, your artwork, your work, your rules, your way. And in my art room, there is no rules. So, wow. Oh. Your balloon kissing is all about consistency of the paint to get your balloon kissing happening well. So I'm just hoping this actually comes out. My husband's outside the window. He's just looked in. He's just caught me. He's just looked in and his mouth wide open. Oh, he'll come past again. He was obviously just going to put something in the bin. Caught out. Oh dear. He's not saying anything obviously till I get back in. What were you doing out there? Oh, all he knows what I'm doing. That always happens, doesn't it, when you don't want to get caught doing something. Not that I'm in trouble, but when you don't want to get caught doing something, you can bet that will be the time when you do get caught doing something. Oh dear. I've got quite a lot of paint still in this area. Let's see if I can push that in. Though that might take a while to dry unless I taken it some of it off, like with the balloon, like what you see me doing now. Oh, crazy person I am. Made me jump. Ah, dear. And I'm also filming on my iPhone too, so I've normally got my iPad for my filming, but I was just walking around with my phone when I was walking the dog, so that's what I'm filming off. So I hope this film's okay. All right, so if the quality's not so good, it's my old iPhone that I'm filming on. I think it's an iPhone 8, so we'll see how the quality is. But I love it. I knew that if I just come in here when I felt like really doing something, that I would, well, I hoped that it would turn out something special, and I think it is. I love it. I love it because it's got all the bright and uplifting colours. We all need some bright and uplifting. Look at that. Looky, looky. I'm happy. I'm happy, Jen. I will just give it a quick. Wow. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Fantasy garden. I have to finish off my edges, but I will call that quits for tonight. I will take some photos in the morning when it's a bit drier, post them out to you. So thanks guys, and joining me on my secret colourful mission I absolutely love that piece. I hope you do too. So until tomorrow, I will be back. I will be back tomorrow.